We are now in the age of AI. Bagong phones, electric vehicles. It's about time na mag-update yung education system natin. Students need real tools, real content, and real-world preparation. And today, we talk to a college that's doing exactly just that. In this episode, we talked about the tech-forward future, traditional ways of learning, and employment blockers. So according to the Future of Jobs report by the World Economic Forum, ito yung mga top fastest declining jobs of 2025 and beyond. So number 1 is postal service clerks. Number 2 is bank tellers. Number 3 are data entry clerks. Number 4, cashiers and ticket clerks. And number 5 are admin assistants. On the other hand, ito naman yung top fastest growing jobs. Number 1 are big data specialists. Number 2 are fintech engineers. Number 3 are AI specialists. Number 4, software developers. And number 5 are security management experts. So if your job is included in the fastest declining ones, you might want to start future-proofing your career. Ayun, ang dami nating nalaman tungkol sa future of jobs.
Right. And talagang di natin maiiwasan na papunta na talaga dun eh.
Yeah.
Kung nandun yung technology, it would naturally create yung mga jobs available. Someone who has technical skills and is knowledgeable in AI and different technology. So yun yung isang problem na nakikita ko, parang yung ang dami pa ring mga courses or parang hindi pa part ng educational system. Yung
Yes.
AI,
Yung technology mismo dapat ma-immerse na sa bawat field or line of designation.
so I think yun yung unang problem now eh, na tinatakal na sa college pa lang. Parang medyo napag-iiwanan na in terms of ano yung kailangan sa workplace. At sobrang laki kasi nung gap between kung ano yung tinuturo sa college versus ano yung kailangan sa workplace. So, yun, pag-usapan natin next. Tingnan natin ano yung mga gaps in terms of ano yung ginagawa natin sa college versus ano yung expected sa workplace. Simulan ko na. Pagka-college tayo, the way they measure our performance, kung okay ka ba or not, is via exams and quizzes. Kaya lang, bakit ko sinasabing ito yung malaking gap? No? Pagdating sa workplace kasi, hindi naman ito yung nakasanayan eh.
Yes.
Meron bang quizzes? Meron bang exams? Wala. Diba? Ano yung meron? Ano yung meron sana dun sa workplace? Sana, I hope na ganito yung mangyari. Pagdating natin sa workplace, especially if you're working with your managers and your bosses, ano yung kadalasan ginagamit? Feedback system naman eh. Wherein, may ano po ako, may papasa akong report, may papasa akong presentation, ano po sa tingin nyo sa kanya? May grading, may bibigyan ka ng feedback, but at the same time, nag-utilize ng continuous improvement eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi natin ginagawa sa college yun. Hindi yung parang, ito yung grade mo ngayon, try ulit natin ha. Dapat mas tumama ka dyan. Hindi ganun eh. Nasan yung gap doon? Meron naman talagang merit na nag-aaral ka, kailangan mong mag-achieve, kailangan maka-perfect ka. May merit doon eh. May natututunan kang parang mag-excel. But at the same time, it's not what's being utilized, diba? The way you would approach a project, kailangan continuous improvement naman tsaka continuous feedback system.
Don, JD, sige. Ito naman yung nakikita ko na part. So sa college, di ba? Ito ang ito talaga yung sistema natin eh. Pass or fail, yes. So, pumasa ka ba para makuha mo yung next subjects, di ba? Malayo siya sa workplace kasi hindi naman gano'n nangyayari sa workplace eh, di ba? At ito yung nakikita ko nangyayari sa workplace, no? Experiments, iteration, and feedback system. Okay. So, sa workplace kasi, nag-experiment din naman talaga. Continuously, no?
Ini-embrace yung failure.
Ini-embrace yung failure, di ba? Until such time na they think na, ito na yung past. Di ba? Ito na yung nangyari. So, hindi sila takot mag-fail. Next is the iteration. If nag-fail ka, then bibigyan ka ng time mag-iterate ng process or
sa workplace,
or mag-iterate ng process or anything like the budget, mag-pivot nung path nyo, di ba? So, open for iteration. And doon nga, yung na-mention mo kanina, is nag-i-improve, no? Hindi dead end. And then, of course, mahalaga rin, again, dito yung feedback system.
Yung feedback system mo, parang end of the semester.
Hindi lang yun. Example, makuha mo yung grade mo. Ang feedback mo, it's either pass or fail lang. Ano yung feedback mo pag fail? Mag-review ka.
Oo.
Mag-retake ka. Diba? Hanggang
Ulit,
doon lang
oh.
ulitin mo. Pag pass, good. Unlike kapag nasa corporate world ka, hindi ka naman sinabi na, failed tong projects mo. Ito, pasado to. Hindi. Anong nangyayari doon? Si boss mo, sasabihin ka kung ano yung mga kailangan mo improve in terms of the design or budget, anything sa project, no? Bibigyan ka ng feedback. Binigyan ka ng opportunity to check and to improve. Diba? Iga-guide ka. Pag ganito, lalabas talaga yung potential mo. Diba?
Lastly, sa college, meron tayong internships. Pagdating sa workplace, meron tayong solving problems and meron din tayong projects. Compared to the other two, etong internships and solving problems and projects when it comes to the workplace, sila yung pinaka-similar.
Right.
Pero yun nga lang, meron tayong isang problema. Pagdating sa internships, hindi siya pantay-pantay. Pagdating sa internships, iba-iba yung tasks. Iba-iba yung titles, iba-iba yung papagawa sa'yo. And alam naman natin, kung hindi ka galing sa prestigious university, parang nababaliwala yung internships Right? So, you're gonna spend 520 hours, di ba, for internships, expecting na may matututunan ka. Pero, most of the time, wala.
Compliance lang.
Compliance lang sa school, di ba? Compliance lang sa school. So, that's the gap here. Although, meron talaga mga companies na nag-offer ng internship programs, which is great, di ba? Pero iilan lang yung mga nakukuha nila. Mostly from, again, prestigious universities. Yung mga iba, nawawalan na ng chance, ng opportunity to do great sa workplace.
Yeah.
And ito sana, yung mag-open up ito yung foot in the door
Ito
mo
yung bridge. No?
Oo, ito yung, first mo na, nakita na ako ng company, gagalingan ko.
Tsaka yung yung malayo sa course mo minsan. And then, magdademand yung prof mo. Which is, it makes sense.
Oo, kailangan mag-demand ka talaga.
nga, sabihin nila na, hindi, maghanap ka nung lilinya sa course mo. Ang problem kasi, the support system. Willing ako mag-apply, walang kumukuha sa akin.
So ito talaga yung mga factors that highly influence yung mga students' chances of being employed.
Yeah.
And it serves as an employment blocker, di ba? Pero ito yung mga kailangan natin for a tech-forward future. Wala na talaga yung mga traditional ways of learning, very outdated na, kailangan na natin ng bagong sistema para matuto yung mga estudyante natin ngayon. And alam nyo guys, good news nga kasi meron talagang college na yun talaga yung sinosolve niya.
Nice.
Thanks to MMDC or Mapua Malayan Digital College. And you guys interviewed one of the members of MMDC and how they solve this kind of problem. No? Panoorin natin to.
From college pa lang, from education, up pagdating sa real world, dami ng problema. So yun yung tatalakayan natin. And who to better discuss it with than our guest for today, none other than the senior manager, Mapua Malayan Digital College, Mr. Josh Villanueva. Welcome, Josh.
Wow, thank you. Thanks for having me. Thank you.
Napag-usapan natin yung AI, sobrang advanced na. Sobrang dami na nangyayari. Pero bakit hindi nakakasabay yung pace of learning or yung pace of adoption pagdating sa colleges or sa mga schools? Sa MMDC, paano nyo ba ina-address yun?
Right. So, as you mentioned, agree na AI and tech are changing the way we live. Even how businesses operate, ang dami ng automation, digitalization, and yung effect nun is some skills or some jobs na kailangan before may not be as essential now that we have automated or we have digitized. And how do we, as a college institution, prepare our students to enter the modern workplace considering that? First, we encourage them na continuous learning.
Yeah.
Not just AI, but even other technologies na i-embrace yung continuous learning and see how they can apply these technologies into whatever they're doing now. May it be sa school output nila or sa work nila kasi most of our students are working So we encourage that behavior of continuous learning. Next, we also expose our students with these new technologies, like for example AI. We encourage our students to use AI in their outputs. In fact, we integrate AI in our learning model. So for example, merong module or lesson na nahihirapan yung estudyante. Pwede nilang tanungin si AI, can you please simplify this for me? And then AI will be like your coach. We call that the AI coach. Or
Mas
pwedeng,
maintindihan ni student, di ba?
right. Or pwedeng dialogue na it mimics how you converse with a mentor. AI, can you provide more examples?
Right.
Can you explain further? So it augments the learning experience. And as the student is exposed to AI and this technology in school, the learnings that he or she will get from that exposure can be applied to wherever he or she goes.
Nice.
What we want to focus on would be the application of technology, information technology, in businesses. So right now we have two offerings.
Okay.
A college degree, which is BSIT, pero there are specializations.
Okay.
The first track would be development focused, where we teach our students how to build tech solutions for business problems.
Okay.
So under doon, merong software development where you create software, apps to solve business problems. The second one would be network and cybersecurity, where we teach our students how to protect networks from cyber attack. And then the second track naman is business focused, kung saan tinuturo namin how to use technology to solve business problems.
Ay, ganda nun.
For example, data analytics. We teach our students how to get valuable insight from big data. Marketing technology, where we teach our students how to leverage tech to enhance marketing initiatives. And third, entrepreneurship technology, where we teach our students how you can use tech to build and grow your business. So if you notice,
Essentials no?
yeah, if you notice, these are very in demand, not just here, but even abroad. So yun yung college degree namin. The second one would be certification programs. Now ito, para to sa mga estudyante na maybe hindi pa kaya ng budget for a full college degree
Got it.
or ng time. So we have three programs: virtual assistance, marketing, and technology. Yung marketing, merong social media marketing with Meta, meaning your certification that you'll get is Mapua Malayan Digital College and Meta. So it's recognized worldwide.
Alright.
And then digital marketing with Google. So and then the third one would be content creation with Adobe. And then under technology naman, data analytics with IBM. So maybe fresh grad ka, tapos kailangan mo ng proof that you have the skill to do the job. So maybe yun yung kailangan mo, certification. Or maybe career shifter ka and you want certification also that you have the skills to do the job.
Yeah.
Or baka matagal mo nang ginagawa yun but you need additional credentials.
Right.
Hindi, pero ako.
Yeah. And yung kagandahan dito, parang in as fast as about 3 months, you get the certification na. And then for as low as 9,000 pesos. So after 3 months, you can put it on your CV or on your LinkedIn, and then it's the proof that you have the skills to do the job.
Yung second problem now is, ano yung tinuturo kadalasan sa mga klase? Iba yung kailangan sa workplace.
Right.
How are you guys handling it?
Kami, as an institution, first, yung gumagawa nung curricula are industry professionals. May background sila sa industry. So alam nila ano nangyayari in the industry. To ensure na whatever we teach in our classrooms are actually being applied in the real world. Para hindi maging obsolete, di ba? Second, we have employer partners as well. And then tinatanong namin sila, ano ba yung skills na hinahanap nyo sa magaling na employee? And then third, yung learning model mismo. Kasi we tried to modernize college by not having traditional exams. So, sa Mapua Malayan Digital College, walang quizzes, long test, exam. Wala nun.
Wala kayong parang final exam.
Wala.
Walang finals.
Meron kaming
Oo.
projects, problems, and cases. PPC. So, doon namin minimeasure yung performance ng estudyante as they build projects, solve problems, and analyze cases. So, it's more output-based and practical.
Ang ganda.
Kasi, yun naman yung ginagawa natin in the real world, di ba? Piniprepare namin yung estudyante namin how to succeed in whatever we do in the real world through projects, problems, and cases. Tapos, meron pang mentors sa MMDC na tinutulungan yung estudyante how to adjust to this modern learning model and how to improve their outputs. In fact, pati yung grading namin kakaiba. So, magsasubmit ka ng output. May it be a project, problem, or case. Your mentor will evaluate, provide feedback, and give you the opportunity to improve your output.
So hindi
May
pass or fail.
iteration pa.
Hindi.
Hindi pass or fail.
Hindi.
Wow.
Tapos paulit-ulit yun hanggang sa makuha mo yung tamang skills
Right.
to do a good output. Again, we do that because that's what's happening in the real world, right? Pag nag-submit tayo sa boss natin, hindi naman tayo sasabihan, ay, pass ka or fail ka, di ba? Your boss will provide feedback.
The third problem remains, Josh, sadly. Employment blockers pa rin.
The reality is, especially sa fresh graduates, yung unang tinitingnan ng employer pag nag-submit ka ng CV, saan ka ba graduate?
Yeah.
If makagraduate ka sa kilalang university, mas mataas ang chances mo to get the job. So with us, pagka-graduate ng estudyante, he or she will get a Mapua Malayan diploma for our college degree. And then for our certification programs naman, he or she will get a Mapua Malayan certificate with IBM or Meta or Google, which are recognized globally. That ensures na mataas ang chance ng estudyante namin to get a good job. Second, we also have employer partners. We partner with companies such as Microsoft, the Ayala Group, GCash, the biggest BPOs, Concentrix.
Oo nga, ayan.
Yeah.
Oo nga pala.
We work with them, we ask them, ano ba yung skills na hinahanap nyo sa magaling na employee, and then we try to teach them in the classroom. So, knowing that, we can connect our students with these employers. Kasi alam ng employer na, magaling to. Or yung hinahanap namin,
Tinuro nila.
nasa kanila.
Naturo na.
We have internship and potential employment partnership agreements with these companies. And that is how we bridge, or that is how we contribute to the employment problems or issues in the country.
Dahil sa program na ganun, lumalaki yung chance mo eh.
Sayang guys, wala ako dun sa interview na miss out ko. Pero I'm sure it's very inspiring.
Yeah.
And sobrang galing na pagkakaset up sa kanila, I think they're the best ones to try and do it. Kasi with the partnerships nila with the conglomerate,
Yeah.
yung ibang mga current na natutunan na nila sa industry, yung partners nila sa industry, they are really primed to do it. The credentials is already there. The expertise of how to run a school is already there. They're the best ones to do it. And sobrang, yung nag-uusap nga tayo na, alam mo Josh, we're so happy kapag nag-uusap tayo kasi parang we feel inspired and nakaka-inget na sana ganito yung nag-aaral.
Bakit ngayon lang to, di ba?
Kasi walang one size fits all na solution eh.
Yes.
At ang magandang part sa kanila, nag-adjust sila.
Sila na yung
Kung ano
nag-a-adjust,
problem.
di ba?
Kung hindi ka pumasok dito, ikaw na may problema. Di ba? Yung magandang part doon is binibigyan ka ng magandang laban talaga eh. Na ikaw estudyante, ito na yung talagang oportunidad na papasok sa'yo.
May fighting chance ka eh.
Meron talaga, nasa sa'yo na lang talaga. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na katuwang mo sila na hindi, ibibigay naman namin sa'yo eh. Tutulungan tayo, di ba? Ang reaction ko talaga doon pwede pala. Bakit ngayon lang? Pwede pala yung ganun.
Pwede pala yung
Once again, thank you MMDC. Thank you Josh for joining our conversation. Ang dami naming natutunan. And kung ako sa inyo, check out nyo na yung website nila, www.mmdc.mcl.edu.ph. Check out nyo na rin yung socials nila at Mapua Malayan Digital. And as always, we're rooting for you.
With this setup, ang galing-galingan kasi sobrang inspired. So, galingan nyo pala.
At kung napag-isipan mo, pumasok ka na, todo.